Joan had sent me an email and she shared a little story with me. And then she said, but all events are neutral. And I said to her, well, no, because we're no longer at that midway line. So all events are neutral, but only on this plane. If you're talking to someone, or if you're in level 1, okay, and somebody is saying, oh my gosh, they're coming to get me, they're going to evict me, they're taking my house, I didn't pay my payment, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? You would never say to that person, chill, all events are neutral. So it's too high of a leap. It's too high of a leap in consciousness for somebody who's in level 1 at victim consciousness. So what you would do with that is try to get them to level 2, which is control. What's our next best step? How do we control this? What do we need to do to get you back in control of your situation? Do we need to call and set up, try to get you a hotel room? Is there friends and family we could call to get you a place to live? So does that make difference? Do you see the difference between not really being able to take someone to too high of a level if they're in lower levels?
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So that's why I always say it doesn't matter what you do, it's the level of consciousness that you're in when you do it. So if you're swimming in these lower levels and you're doing the figure 8 stuff, right? Fight or flight, fight or flight, fight or flight. And you're just doing this pattern, fight or flight, fight or flight, fear, anger, fear, anger. If you're doing that whole thing, then that's where it does become effective to say, breathe, pause, calm down. All events are neutral. I'm giving this all the value that it has. I'm assigning it because you're training your mind. You're now training yourself through your emotions to say, I don't have to feel this way. I don't have to buy into this. I'm going to remove myself from the situation. I'm going to go for a walk. I'm going to take a deep breath because all events are neutral and I'm going to get myself back to center. You're just at that midway point when you're trying to remind yourself that all events are neutral.